Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have the next Papercraft Society box. They seem to be coming faster than I can go. I have just started off the year with more viruses. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. First of all, the box is beautiful. It's a beautiful teal green, or teal greenish bluish with gold, and so that's kind of a keeper for storage. They're very sturdy. This is Sheena Douglas. This is number 40. Very pretty. I can relate to that. Now this one you might not think this is more of an artsy one, I think, although you can make cards from it. Maybe at first glance it might not seem tending toward that way, but give it a chance and you'd be surprised. So in our tissue bit here, pretty things. So we have some pipettes here, probably to pick up some droppers to do some color, so great to always have those on hand. If you run out of those, I think Amazon probably would have a package of those. I'm going to put those aside in my brushes. You get a little plastic reusable thing for your inks and things, and a brush. Now this is not an expensive brush, but you know, it'll do the deed. Of course, there's always the booklet that gives you great ideas about how you can use these things for your cards and things, but also just different artwork and just learning some techniques, I think, is the point of this box here. Okay, so that's that. We have got some inks here and a blue. So those will be a great addition to your stash. And of course, these are probably water activated, I would think. So you can thin these out, you can put them in here, you can mix them in here, a couple colors together. What colors? Let's see what she says here. Cyan, magenta, and yellow. So you should be able to do a lot with that, obviously. Blending them and so forth. Okay, what do we got here? Looks like a ring is going to go through there. Oh, so these are like the little techniques, and then it shows you an example on the other side. Now, if you didn't want to keep these for some reason, you could use these as decorative parts on your card, but I would keep them. You never know. So like kitchen cling wrap, wet and to dry, wet and to wet, direct to paper cleanup, lifting color, and so forth. Salt technique, faux bleach, blending with glycerin. So some different techniques that you can use. Those are very pretty. And I'm assuming she's using the inks that are in here, though I don't know that for sure. That's really pretty. Line art. Okay. All right, let's open it up here. We've got here. Let's look at our stamp sets first. Put that on the back. So nice little landscape type, nature, kites, and happy birthday, happy retirement, things of that nature. And then to go with that, it looks like some sentiments. Happy days ahead, have a very happy retirement, good luck with pastures new, like a wildflower, bloom anywhere and everywhere. You're the lighthouse in my storm. Shine, it's your birthday. Congratulations, it's your time to shine. So, great reusable goods there for your stash. Now, they don't have dies in this one, which I am a fan of the dies, so it's a little bit of a bummer, but I think you'll find that the skills you use with this, you'll be able to apply to your other boxes. So it looks like we have our rings in here and more cards. So you can use one ring for those colored ones I showed you earlier. Okay. So maybe you can practice, or you can color on here and use some of these. So it looks like there are three of those. Three, or maybe two of these. So they pop out like that. that, and you have the hole there. And then some blank ones that you can do your own stamping, or you can put these on the gel press. That would be fun. You can just leave them on the sheet and then do your thing on the gel press and use that. I might do that. Lots of blank ones here. So 4 on a sheet, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16 blank ones to practice with. Some cardstock here where you can make a color wheel of sorts with your inks. So you can take the 3 ink bottles that you got, and here's your magenta, cyan, and yellow, and then you would do your secondary, tertiary sort of blending, and then you can make browns. So 3 yellows, 1 magenta, and 1 blue. 4 yellows, 2 magenta, 1 blue. I'm assuming that's what that stands for, but yeah, cyan, magenta, yellow. So anyway, so some blending techniques. You can make skin tones and things. Here's a little grid you can practice, sort of doing green on green, green on purple, green on orange, and that will just build up your confidence in using products, whatever you have in your craft room. Will help with that. So a little practice sheet there. So that is that. So card makers out there, there are, obviously you can use these to make cards. Here's an example of a beautiful card there. Might be something out of the wheelhouse, but it's good to try new things. So anyway, hopefully, I know people were, I was reading a few comments that people were like, you know, but I think you'll find that you'll enjoy playing with those products. And even if you're not an artist, I think that making cards and things from, you might find that you enjoy doing that sort of thing, and you'll do more of that. But anyways, and feel free to mix and match with your previous boxes as well. It's always fun. Go ahead, if you like unboxings, give a like and subscribe. Check out the links down below for affiliate links. I do make a small commission for that at no extra cost to you, but it is much appreciated. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.